All right, so as you can see, we are doing some graphics and kind of hard in the landscape, but we are doing a big office. If we flip it, it'll look goofy, so I'm not going to flip it. So here's the walls that we did in this room. It's just two walls. It's kind of hard to see, but it's for a bank. So when we unrolled all the graphics that are on here, we put them next to each other, and then we had the representative from the graphics company here to make sure everything was good. So a couple things that we took exception to: the first set of prints, we sent them back due to coloration issues. They sent us new ones, and actually there was really no difference. So you can kind of see the difference in color from that panel to that panel. You can kind of see the difference from that panel to that panel, that panel to that panel. The other one, you kind of see a little bit of it, but not awful. But there was coloration issues on here that we pointed out. We wouldn't have installed it, but we were told to install it. So that is this graphic. So here's another graphic that we did. Of course, people putting stuff on the wall, which isn't cool. But the one thing we did was install, and it's only in the face of this wall. I think this is the 10th one we've done. So a couple different variations. This one, at first they were taking and wrapping it, but the problem was they didn't have enough paper to wrap it this way and then wrap it this way because we had to use too much excess. So they changed it. So now it's just a matter of the paper getting cut off even. And then whatever this paint color is, we just paint towards the edges to make sure that it's the same color. Overall, it works good until you get places where the drywall is wonky. Then it kind of looks goofy. Same thing on the edges. It's nice because it's white. But if you get a drywall that's kind of wonky, you get some edges there. So that was this graphic. And then the great thing about us, what makes us different, is we're doing signage also. So here's some standoff signs there with the little pins that go everywhere. And then we can also do window film. So these are all window films that are on there. It's brand icon. So they went all over the outside perimeter of the windows. And then another graphic mural as you come in. And then the signage that goes on the front doors there. That was done by the door company. So those are the things that we did. So if you're looking for someone that can not only just do wallpaper murals or graphics like these back here, we can also help you with these window films. It can also help you with standoff letters, as well as other signs that go on in your business. So we're more than just a painter, more than just a standard wallpaper installer. 3M certified for all films and graphics that we do. So we haven't done any floor graphics here, but we could do the floor 3M type applications, walls, windows, and anything that's 3M. But otherwise, we can help you out. If you got questions on wallpaper, whether it's graphics, traditional wallpaper, digital prints, there's some peel and stick with the 3M, these standoff letters, as well as these window films, window tinting, frosting. Definitely, we can help you out with all that stuff. You can click the link below. You can give us a call. Love to see how we can help you with that project. And again, hope you have a great day. God bless.